Hey YouTubers and guys and girls, I hope you all had a Merry Christmas, and I have a box here that came on December 24th, so I thought I'd wait till Boxing Day to unbox it. So let's get to it. And this isn't typical what I usually unbox, but I thought I'd do it anyways, just for fun. And as usual, we have the popcorn all over. It's going to go all over the place, I'm sure. I think I'm just going to take it out, a lot of it. And we're going to start to see some stuff here. So what we have here is the latest offerings from River Point Station. You got the Ford Super Duty truck there, fire truck. And this is the accessory kit, or kits. There's two of them. There should be two of them in there. It has a bunch of coolers and different things in it you can get. And this one's covered with elastic. So this one is a tire service truck. For big trucks, you'll see these guys go and change tires on the side of the highway and stuff like that. And this is the latest. This is a Coast Guard fire truck. Kind of a nice little thing. What else we got here? And I got a couple of just plain ones that I can decorate myself. They're also tire change trucks or service trucks. You could make them into, I guess. And there's still more. What else we got here? We have another fire unit. A little bit different paint job. And this is another, like a tire service or some kind of a service truck. And another different paint job on it. And I believe that's it. That's all for today. Hope you had a great Christmas, like I said, and have a trainific day, and hope you enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe or make a comment if you like, and I'll talk to you later.